Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 12th, and this is my analysis for the euro yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, on the 4-hour time frame, the euro yen just kept on pushing up, and it actually gained a lot of momentum. It looks very, very impulsive, which makes me think that it is not a pullback to this last move down, like I said yesterday. I was looking at the higher time frames, and I was like, okay, well, what if this is one, two, three waves up for like a W, not an A? This is one, two, three waves down for an X, not a B. And now this is one, two, and we're in the third wave up for a wave Y. And this is not an ABC correction, but it's a 333 pattern, which is a WXY. With how impulsive up that is most likely the scenario that I would believe now. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I would still put my Fibonacci retracement from here to here. And if it does, make like a double top break a structure at a fib level, I could definitely take it as a short. But if this is actually the A and this is a B and we're now at a C of Y, then most likely it's actually going to go up and it's going to take out the previous highs and potentially continue up on the higher time frames like the daily and weekly time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.